Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your birth date on Snapchat. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the settings option. Now, tap on the birthday. Tap on the birth date. And now, select your birthday. Once you're done, tap on continue. Verify your age by tapping on OK. And that's it, guys. This is how you can change your birthday on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.